As a landlord, she calling you your title. Is it now Bubu? Are you Buhari son?
And Onye. And who might you be?
Who might me be? Who might me be?
Yes.
Since you're asking me who might me be, I might be Unamdi. My name is Unamdi. Yeah? I am her future
friend. He's my very good friend. My very good friend.
Or what kind of labor name again? What is he still doing here? Or do you still want to escort her inside?
It does not concern you whether I put her into her bedroom or bathroom. Yeah? As my future this thing, I can follow her anywhere she want to.
Hey!
It's not her house.
Can you imagine? So, let me see. So this is now what you are doing in my compound, bringing different men, to my compound. Let me see. So this is what you are doing.
What is the worry you? Your blockers they scratch you.
How is it your business?
That's my business.
How is
it your business? Whether she bring a man or animal into her house, is she not paying rent here? Are you not paying rent here? You're paying rent here. Why are you not going to tell
It is my right.
It is all right.
Okay. It is not okay because it is my compound. It is my compound. You know, it is my compound.
No other grass put the whole place now. Every time. What is your don't they get fertilizer?
It is my weapon of mass destruction.
There's all this grass.
Do you have it?
Unkept house.
Go.
Famusu, go to your house.
Of you. This kind of thing for that, my boy for sure. My boy for sure.
Do you have it?
Weapon of mass destruction. Nance, now you be thief. Eh? That is it. To say I hold a gun at night. I don't give you 5 bullets now. What are you doing now?
Babe, I'm sorry. I was so hungry.
You're hungry. At this time of the night, are you a witch? Eh? But this time witch they flying and go to it and come back. So you that for a witch in my house now.
No, babe, see, I tried to ignore it. I couldn't. If I want to sleep, something will bite me in my tongue.
Something is biting you. Because of you're not the breadwinner of the family. If you're the breadwinner in this family, who's not to bite you there? I go outside, you go bus to come back. You go there house to sleep. What television? You don't chop dinner.
Dinner? Babe, that was not dinner now.
The same dinner you chop, I chop. That was not dinner.
Babe, that portion of food is for a 5-year-old. See me now, come at me. No, see at a full ground. It was not enough for me.
You full ground. Eh? Until you come elephants, now that time you go take you on. Eh? You come up for home and come they chop at this time of the night. You don't get conscious. What kind of evil spirit they enter you? Oh, yeah, continue eating now. Continue eating. Since now, continue eating. If I was over here, come on, go and sleep for that. Oh, Yoshi. Just imagine. Eh? Food that should give like 5 days in the house. Only you come here, don't chop this thing, go down. I need to buy padlock for this kitchen. Make a lock all these pots. I will buy padlock in this house. Just imagine. Eh? No, it's washing.
Welcome back, oh. Welcome. I do. That was business today. Thank God, oh. Yay! Please pay the landlord his money. Oh. I don't want someone to come and banging our door like a loan shark, because this night I need to sleep. Found the use one eye sleep a beg. Hey, calm down. I don't already pay him, and the receipt they sign back. Thank God. Well, I do bath beg. Long time. All the food we have to service me. I don't even feel like eating on this.
Just say you do alright.
I know what.
Yeah, now. Do.
Thank you.
Do, my friendship. Yeah, Missy, my friendship.
Why you can't dey under duvet dey cuddle? Eh?
What should I be doing?
You on AC, come enter inside duvet dey cuddle. That is, you sleep from night enter morning. AC still dey on. Eh? You come enter under duvet, they cuddle your, as in they cuddle yourself. Eh? With AC on. Maka, why? What is the reason?
What is the AC meant for?
What's the AC meant for? I don't blame you now. Eh? I don't blame you. Because you're not a breadwinner. You're not paying any bill in the house. Your own is to eat my food, watch television, sleep, wake up. Any morning, yeah, you leave the whole AC on. Burning my electricity bill. There come. If it is too hot for you, come out your clothes, wear bra and pants, and be running around the house. It's that simple. I don't understand this kind of thing.
This one has passed, be careful. But what is the AC meant for?
Every time, wastage. If you do not everything, light on, AC on. For what, sir? Remind spotted that if you carry both on television.
If I know you won't have collected electricity in this house. Let me know that you don't want me to use
the paper work like this now. I beg you. Try and economize. Cut things down. Eh? On AC, on the light. So what's in for television?
Jesus. But what are these things for? It's not to use them. Nandi, this one is becoming too much.
Love was sweet, but the hunger grew. Dreams we shared, now they fade from view. Counting pennies, counting pain. In this house, nothing feels the same. Whispers of love, hearts on the line, fighting for hope with barely a dime. Whispers of love, tears in the rain, trying to hold on through struggle and shame.
This one I said like now. And this is just a pack milk for the tea. And they look at now. Say like with the brown. This one is looking white. That means you have a pack at least almost 5 spoons of milk inside this thing now. Why they chop like this now? You can't finish the milk waiting for house. Milk was supposed to last you 4 days now. See, I'm inside here. On top of one small lack. No problem. You're angry, why?
She's like, you like a pump outside, make her to go one way. I need photo. See this stuff, things where you go buy for market. Oh, yeah. Don't do my calculation for every day. This one go to for market. Where they go market. Everything where they there is in detail. So try and buy it.
What about transport?
Oh, you can talk.
Your mouth is working. I thought your mouth have go vacation now. You dey chop say like you dey drink my milk. You don't want talk. Now you can talk now. Anyway, there is no transport. You trek to the markets and buy what you need to buy, and you trek back.
Are you kidding me right now?
Am I kidding you? Does it look like I'm kidding you? Where is he kidding? For ya? You trek to market and buy the things and come back. And simple and short.
How do you want me to check under this hot sun? If you don't have regards for me, I'll be walking under this hot sun.
Thank God you talk am now. And I'm be odogu. You understand? So you trek. Well, as you do early morning slowly, or even cardio, you need to do any exercise. You want also chop, sleep, chop, sleep. Use this is one. Go market, go market, buy this thing. As a medium of exercise for you, you go burn some calories. After eating all these things now, you burn the calories.
I don't understand. You want me to trek?
You're making trekking it now.
I think you're joking.
If you don't want to go, I can go myself. It's not that hard. It's not that I have plenty meeting today, so we go starve until money day for me to go. I go and buy it and come back. No problem.
You better start providing that. Better provide that money for transport too.
If you like, you don't like. Come, I know the list what I give you. Make one thing no miss inside. If anything miss for that list, you go provide them. And the gist me when you finish everything. Finish everything because you will touch me again for at least 2 more days. This milk is milk for 2 days when you drink like this. But fact people inside say like to drink.
Ordinary transport. How much is transport? Is it even up to 3,000?
See your brother? You see your brother? How much is transport? You take it now. Go to New York now. Or New Jersey. Or Miami. Watch about YouTube. All these passport gas. Take it up and down, up and down. You come here, what they do, you do. Come like your trek. And when I come back, I hope to see everything that you bought.
Just share. God forbid.
Like where I cover first. Feel what one city is hotel. You go get easy.
Jesus Christ. I've obviously leave this phone, but I can't even leave it. What night? Transport. Transport.
One wants control, but love can't survive when it starves the soul. Whispers of love, hearts on the line,
Who is it? I'm coming.
fighting for hope with barely a dime. Whispers of love, echoes of pain.
So you are light on word. Because I'm pleased to get worried while you're not picking my calls.
My friend. I was actually going to call you, but honestly.
Oh, please, Darcy. Spare me all that, Nancy. I am not a child. I know you've been avoiding me. But what I don't know is why.
It's not what you think, oh. Babe, I've been so busy.
Busy with what? Busy being an unofficial housewife. Huh?
Like, you won't understand. I was actually on my way to the market before you even came in. But wait, Cheta, what are you even doing here?
Nancy.
What are you doing here? Oh my God! I didn't even see this before. Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Why did you tell me?
Says someone who wouldn't pick my calls. See, you call yourself my best friend, yet you don't know anything happening in my life since you got engaged and moving with that man.
Babe, this is good news. Like, this is good news. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for not reaching out.
Nah, it's
And I'm
fine.
happy for you, my friend.
I know. Thank you. Well, I'm here to give you this.
Okay, what's in the bag?
Yes. It's my Shribi. It's 35K. But you don't have to pay that. I mean, if it's not convenient for you.
Right. It looks beautiful.
Thank you. Well, let me leave you to it since you said you're going somewhere.
Yeah. I was going to work. Oh my God. Let me give you a hug.
Okay.
That's right. Oh my God. It's like you're off the market, you know that, right?
I'll say that today.
Oh, really? Thanks for stopping by. Alright,
I'll see you around, okay?
no problem. Take care of yourself, okay? Let me see you, Mom.
We did fight to keep this flame, but love they suffer when money no remain. Tears and dreams, we did hold on tight, hoping said tomorrow go bring us light. Tears and dreams, still they call your name. Love it heal, but he know they the same. Tears and dreams, tears and dreams, tears and dreams. Empty hands, but heart still full. Counting coins just to make life cool. Promises where they
My baby.
fade away.
The freshest man in this estate.
Na me, you.
Ondokun, my love.
Oh, no.
You're welcome. Let me help you. Welcome. Let me help you.
This one at your be very, it's okay. This one at your be very nice like this. Remember?
I want to give you a massage.
Massage.
Yes.
That's a little bit too much now. Where the things, the money I give you to buy things today?
I bought everything. It's in the kitchen.
In the
You
kitchen?
can come and check it.
This your niceness is questionable.
Baby, see your neck is going one side.
It's not going one side.
So much more.
Chele go the first. So you want everything?
Everything is in the kitchen. You can come and see yourself.
Yeah. Nothing spoil for the house.
No, now, my love. I just want to give you a massage.
Wait, give massage first. Make our start was in there. Because for it to be this nice, something is involved.
So I cannot show love to my husband, Biggie.
You can show it off now, but I know you very well. Something is involved. What is the thing that is involved?
Okay. I want to sit down first. Today, you remember my friend Cheta?
I know Cheta. Your bridesmaid for wedding.
Yes, exactly. So, she came here today and she gave me one bag like that. She'd engaged. Right?
Congratulations to her.
Yes.
Congrats to her.
So she gave me one bag, this ashrabi for her wedding. And it just takes 5,000. I was thinking you would give away the money so I can pay for it. So I can be there for her like she was for me on my wedding day.
35,000 naira. And that is how you want to be there for her. Let me tell you something. If you want to be there for somebody, the only way you can be there for somebody is to show up. Be there for the person. You understand me now? Yeah? How can she be selling Ashwebi 35,000 naira? Okay, no problem. Black one is her business. But did you ask her color of the day?
Wait, what does color of the day have to do with this one?
Because if you ask her color of the day, you will know. Is it pink? Is blue? Is royal green? Is this? Is that? If you check your wardrobe, you will find clothes that have that color. Even if it is not just one of that color, like this one now can stand for royal blue.
Jesus.
You know? If you mean that you will put bonnet to be the royal blue to stand well, you put bonnet and go. It is being there for your friend. This is right. You need to be tactical. You find the way that the way you're dressing will fit into the event. That is how you're there for your friend. You want to go and carry a whole 5,000 naira now.
Babe.
And do ashwebi.
Babe, see, I would have collected 30,000, but I used my 5,000 to add to the things I bought today. Things in the market have gone high. Prices of things have gone low.
Add your 5,000 into the thing.
Yes, now.
It's you that want to add it now. Because I calculate that thing to the point that if you price them well in the market, one kobo no go fall inside. As your 5,000 is inside the matter, you will still eat inside it now. That come, I have a very long day today. It was hectic for me. Why the food when you say you cook for me?
It's in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Babe,
Just based on my food, let me go and eat. It can happen here, Ashwebi. I don't have power for that. You carry my bag from upstairs.
so babe, you don't want me to go for her wedding?
If you want to go for the wedding, I'm not stopping you. You go for the wedding. But please remove my input inside. Thank you.
Babe, now.
Let me shower and come down. Please.
Because I didn't ask you for help. Just ashrabi.
Just imagine.
Hey. What is all this? Babe, wait. Babe.
So you called me all the way down here just to give me back my shooting.
Cheta, I don't have the money. And even my fiancé refused to pay for it either. And I don't want to owe you and I'm not working.
I bet you don't. You know, I have just one question for you. When did you become this? When did you become this housewife that doesn't have 35K in her account, yet she's engaged to a rich man? I mean, how is this any different from your single days? Because I don't understand.
Cheta,
I warned you. I warned you, Nancy, but you wouldn't listen. I told you to go get a job and not wait for a rich man to come save you. But no, you want the soft life. You wanted an Odobo. Now you've bagged an Odobo. How far? Don't bother answering that question. I'm sure you've learned your lessons. But you know what? I don't want you to ever call me again. Ever again.
Cheta.
Oh, please. Look. I have been there for you every single moment of your life when you needed me. Just this one time that I need my friend beside me. What did you do? You turned me down. Nancy, we are done.
Cheta,
Excuse me.
Cheta, please, I'm so. You know I don't have a job.
Please give
Where
your
will I get the
explanation
money from? Cheta, please.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Every smile they hide one pain. Every night they bring you rain.
Hi, Nambi, so what you're
We
putting
they
me through.
fight to keep
I
this
don't deserve all this.
flame. But love they suffer when money no remain. Tears and dreams, we they hold on tight, hoping say tomorrow go bring us
Cheta, Cheta, please listen to me. I'm just coming from out, and you're getting and said you're not around. That you took a walk. I didn't even know I'll see you here.
Now you have. What do you want?
Can we talk, please?
Talk about what?
I know you're still angry with me that I returned your Ashebi. But please just hear me out.
Hear what exactly?
I'm leaving Namdi. Like I've made up my mind. I'm done with that marriage.
Wow. Let me guess. So, you finally realized you don't need an odogu? Huh? You finally realized you don't need a man to cater for you. Now you're back, so I can pick you up, dust you, like I've always done. Is that it?
Cheta, look, I'm so sorry for all that happened. I'm so sorry. I just thought that, we can actually work something out.
Listen, no, you're not. You're not my friend. And please, do not call yourself my friend.
How would you sound?
Okay?
How would you
Because
sound
if
not
you
your
were,
friend?
you would have known how I felt about you not having my back all these years. Okay? Please don't call yourself my friend.
You know I didn't have a job. So how was I going to pay for that shrimpy? I'm so sorry, please.
Nancy, I honestly don't want to talk to you.
Hi.
Okay? And let me tell you, please, like I said earlier, do not call yourself my friend. Okay? You are not. Are you listening to me? And don't contact me again. And thank you for ruining the little piece I was craving for.
Cheta, I'm sorry. Cheta, I'm sorry. I'll make... Oh, Jesus Christ. This yeye ubag. Oh my God.
love it heal, but he know they the same.
Why are you calling me now? What is it? I've told you where I am. What is it?
Tears and dreams, tears and dreams, empty hands but heart still full, counting coins just to make life cool, promises where they fade.
This one wey dey call it bad, you dey travel, you no tell me.
I'm leaving. Like I'm leaving your life for good.
You're leaving.
Yes. I'm leaving to my father's house. Like, for God's sake, why do I have to suffer this much? Am I the first woman to be married on this earth? Why do I have to be stuck with such a wicked, rich man like him? Just look at me. Look at my life.
So you mean this thing you're leaving, as in you're finished, you're done?
I'm sure you're not deaf.
Okay, no problem now. No problem. So what will now happen to the blind pies I pay on your head?
Jesus Christ. Like, are you serious? You must be
I'm
joking.
serious. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I pay blind pies on your head. Eh? And I remember very well when I come to your village, I dash your father money. I dash your mother money. That's your dwarf cousin, Chike. I give her money. Eh? So you go return everything back now. And everything I'll spend on you, you go return them back.
Like, Namdi, don't you have shame?
Waiting at the
Don't you have
Cali.
small shame?
Waiting at the Cali shame.
To even plead and say I should stay back, you're asking for bride price.
I should plead that you should stay back. Who is doing who favor here? Eh? When you see fresh fine boy, you can only resist it now. You don't feel say no. Eh? Now you married too. Eh? You yourself now. What did you enjoy for your life before? You don't see AC before. You don't dey house where AC they blow you 24 hours. You dey run up a king size bed as it stretch your body. They chop my food. Everything you chop enter your nyash. When you come here now, was it like this? No, you don't add weight now. My food. And you just think you're doing me a favor. You're living. My friend, I remove you from poverty. So you're living. No problem. But remember, when you go home, tell your father, your mother, and everybody, I'm a businessman. And when you come to money, I do not choose to play. And I know, you go on. Have you bought me child? Tell him of what use have you been to this marriage since I married you today? If not to be eating my food, everything from pot and right, yeah, she go stay. Eh? You go on. Have you bought me child before? Eh?
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I blame myself. I blame myself for not looking at all the red flags you were giving me before I entered this marriage.
You blame yourself.
I blame myself.
You be like say you the thing say I carry bazooka put for your head, come marry me. Eh? I carry bazooka, just boom, come marry me. My friend, you see fine boy, you marry the boy. That is what happened. That is exactly what happened. So all I'm asking for is not too much. Arrange my bride price for me and give me back. That's all. Because I calculate very well. This marriage now better and the worse and later and poorer. It's supposed to be a lifetime something.
Wait,
no, I'm not done yet. It's a lifetime something. And maybe God forgive you extra 50 years before you die. So you don't want to come out 49 years inside. This marriage, how many months you don't do? In the matter 1 year, you're leaving. I'm not stopping you from leaving now. Leave, but to drop my bride price for me. Simple and short.
Wait, I have just one question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me 3 tangible things you've done for me since I've been in this marriage. Just 3. I will lick yours. In fact, I'll take my box upstairs. Tell me 3 things. Yes.
You will lick my shoe.
Yes.
Hey. You have to calm down. Eh? 3 things. No problem.
Jesus.
This one is one of the 3 things. I know when the girl is calling you every time and saying the money for this thing, it's me that to pay for it. This handbag you're carrying, give me. No, bring them now. You always start counting what I'll do for you now. Makeup for your face. Who pay for the makeup? Eh? 3 things. In my house, near him. They chop my food up and down. I go see you, only you, small girl like you. Fufu, 5 fulo for fufu. Go there with the goosey soup. 4 meat inside. All daddy to you. In your father's house, you don't eat a goosey soup with 4 meat before. You dey here now, they chop meat, they chop fufu. Only God know what you chop when I know even they has. You will return everything, my dear. Give me the bag.
I'm not giving you any bag.
You don't give me the bag?
Yes.
Mention 3 things. You don't see her?
Hey.
You
have no shame.
I have no shame.
You have no dis.
I will not stop for raving. If you want to rave, you pack your things and get out. But to drop my things for me and tell your family I am coming to collect my bride price. You know,
You can take the bag. I don't need it.
I will take it. Wait. This bag nobody carry from this house. This bag nobody carry from this house.
I'm not leaving this bag. It's my bag. You bought it for me.
When I come to your village, I pack everything inside the bag I keep for me. You think I will be playing with you?
We can't. God forbid. Let them then go marry you. How? Take it. Obi, you can take my lights if you want.
The bag is empty. Eh? Just imagine you're leaving. Believe me now. You don't have any girl for this Lagos. Eh? All kind of spec, big breast day, big neck day, 5 face day. You come here and I don't like it.
Hi, Nancy.
Please,
Are you traveling?
don't even say anything to me, please. You and your friends should go to hell. All my foodie people, eating people will vomit it.
Sure.
Wicked people. Wicked people. In fact, take his ring. I will sell it. No, I'll sell it. Come into a slave in his house.
Boss.
My man. How now?
I did fine though.
Down there.
Yeah.
You know your work now?
Yeah, not the work. I saw your wife, Lily. She did travel.
She did leave now, she did leave. Let's see where one go now, you go.
What's up?
Which time what's up? Person say she won't leave now. She's leaving. She has to go back to her place now. After they wrap it up now, you know the work.
Check out. Everything they work perfectly.
I for talking now. Because they want me to go spend the money now. They buy new laptop when this one can be fixed.
Check out now, check out.
For this button here, they no put her.
Yeah, if I put that button, then you'll change the whole.
No, make the river. I go they use pin presser. This is the way you carry food. You come here, come give me longer throat.
Hunger they catch me. Nah, from that booker down the street, now buy it.
That one way, that new one with the corner.
Now.
It's sweet.
This food over make sense.
Yeah, it starts with your mouth, they move. The oil, they won't drop yourself.
Okay, man.
And they smell they enter my nose.
And I hunger game so.
No problem. Oh, no problem now. Take aside at least I no go waste money buying your laptop. This food they smell well, yo. They get better scent inside.
Make them.
No problem. Okay. No problem. I'm going to charge this laptop. You know, carry the you carry the chargeable.
Go charge it.
Yeah. Okay. It's no problem. Welcome. Yeah. I don't offer you something about the chop, so no need. No need. Be the chop. This is chop well. My guy.
Madam, how much be this your full sell?
You buy rice 300, meat 200, beans 300. Then water 100 naira.
Madam, I still dey pay again for water.
You no go pay. Tori wo lo da mi loko wala kuba.
Water wey God do.
Now you no go fetch for river day. The money na 900. Your customer welcome.
Hey, my stand.
My phone with me.
You collect your money.
Thank you. Go collect change.
Man, give me 100 now.
Aya. Customer. Only job. Make sure you come back.
Hey, well done.
Come back for water with yourself.
I greet you.
Okay, what's your
My sister, how are you?
I do.
How is everything?
Fine, thank you.
Say business they go well now.
Thank God.
And they see I want to buy food.
Which one? We get egusi, ogbono, oha, eba, semo, rice, jollof rice, white rice, beans.
Which one be the best now?
Together, egusi soup make brain.
You sure? That one we go make me come back. I go buy that one. But make go slow day inside.
Plenty meat.
Yes, if I put my hand here, make it lock, make everywhere just choke.
Okay, so I go sell you a eba, 100 naira, meat 400, make it plenty.
Make 400. No, make 200. Make it come down small.
Okay.
No problem.
Eating, I will take you.
No, take away. I dey rush go somewhere.
Okay, pack na 200 naira.
200. We have to sit down for here.
Anyway.
Okay. I will just sit down for here, wait for them. Thank you.
Come on, sit down.
Thank you. Hey. No, thank you. My own decor.
Okay.
Hey. Hey, my sister.
How many eba you go show?
Eba. Make it 2 eba.
2 wraps, abi?
Yeah, 2 wrap. How much you want wrap?
50 naira.
So give me 2 pack.
2 wraps of eba.
2 wrap.
Okay.
But if you do 1.5.
I will not say half for this.
That is 100 naira for the 2.
Sir?
Put up.
How markets now? I just do.
Because you got him toothpick there,
What's everything?
Toothpick.
no toothpick.
Just toothpick.
Okay.
Oh no.
I do.
Don't carry a call.
Yes, sir.
How much is one like this?
15,000.
For waiting.
See, I'm now planting what I wash and bring for you. See, I see big.
I beg you, 7.5, mama, that now.
No rich now.
You know rich waiting. I'm more get any now. No be the one with
A
that
fresh plantain be this.
7.5. I will go buy for another place. So.
but you may add something.
7.5 for now. Kò tiẹ̀ lọ́mọ létí gan. Na 7.5 for beg, I no get. I will go with another person. You don't waste time.
Don't vex, don't vex.
I go put 200 naira for transport for you.
Yeah, no, bring her.
I go make transfer. Then you go send another one this week. This one no go there okay.
Yeah,
Go
no.
down shop and quickly now.
No wahala.
No.
I will send Adana if you know they're around.
That one no be
Bring
problem.
her.
Adana new year now. I go make the transfer. She be that bank account they use.
Yes.
No problem.
Wait for try add something.
Show Mama Bello.
No peace. Ariana, good market, bro. Thank you.
My sister,
Sir?
I don't consider. Eh? Just the face, please. You fix it down. Spectacular. That is say as you price this girl down from 15,000 down to 7.5.
Okay, if you know do like that, they go cheat you, Jerry.
Hey!
Leave this our Lagos baby day.
That is 7.5. You can't add 500 on top, na?
Na 200 for transport.
200. That is 7.7. Hey! Nah, it was bad. Well done, eh? That is Yemi Okoya.
Yeah, me still.
She call you Yemi now.
And I hear me see everybody don't call me.
Yemi see.
I don't know what you want.
Igbo man, the thing come my head, but that Yemi see. You know the meaning, na?
I don't go. Oga, give me my money.
Yeah, that means say you don't spoil, na. As you be like good girl.
Oga, give me my money.
Yes, you may see you now, but say you and Virgin Maria be cousin.
Oga, give me my
Just
money.
put small veil on you and now call you saint. Well done, no problem. How much be your money?
Na 600.
600.
No. Sorry. You say you want meat 200, abi? So about 100 naira. What 100 naira? Na
400. I know. I don't say you make mistake for calculation. No problem. No problem.
Wetin be your own?
Nnamdi. Come nye gi ego, nye m isi. Nye m
Make I
isi.
bring change.
Yes, na. Yes, na. That is 600 na.
Yes.
Very good skill you get for there. You mean 100 naira.
I think I bring your head.
Yes, na. Hey.
Get on there.
You did check where. Let me see.
Namdi.
Yeah, me see.
Hi.
Yeah, me see.
Good afternoon.
Anna,
I'm fine.
how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How's it going?
I'm very good.
Like your outfit.
You look cute, Nakwaya.
Sorry, me too. Is this your car key?
Yes, my automobile.
Wow.
Now big car, don't be not be Corolla.
You're not
You
serious.
know, say if you see Toyota logo, now you go think say na Corolla or Camry. This one na Prado, big one. Na big car, big boy's car, you know.
What do you
Prado.
want to eat?
Have some kinye missing.
Oh, this is your jeggy. What do you want to eat now?
Okay, it's your Camry gisi. Which one do you want? I'm very, very skilled in that department.
What do you want to eat?
Ask him,
Customer
add some
so
kinye missing or Camry gisi. Which one do you want?
What is my food? Sorry, sit down for me. I'm coming, please.
I think the customer wait. Let me go wait for you.
Okay, what do you want to do? Evan. I'm coming.
No problem. Hear me see. Yeah? Hey, how are you? Beautiful one. Let me open the door for you.
You don't have to open the door. Yes, I'm a gentleman. So I like to be to computer.
Calm down. So this is your house now?
Thank you.
Now hey, this stage.
Yeah, this is.
The whole house, I be.
No, just that's the neighbor's house there.
You don't mean it. Okay, like shared apartment. Yeah? It's a nice place, it's a nice place. Even the estate, they conducive.
Are you saying this just to make you feel good?
No, nice house now. At least you put them side by side by the kind job they do. Na nice place. Eh? He's doing very well. Me myself, when I start my my hustle before I become big man, where I stay don't even reach this one.
Really?
It was a very bad, you know. This one, Steph, you try well.
Ah.
You try well.
Miss, thank you.
Yeah, me see.
Thank you for helping me, please. I beg. I'm grateful. I appreciate it.
You appreciate it. I'm going to show you appreciation by pressing your number on my phone. Now.
Oh, so you didn't drop me with full mind, Abby?
Now I use my full mind, won't collect your number. Look at they call you back to back.
What is going on here?
Good
What is going on here?
evening.
Good evening. Huh? I have told you, stop calling me Oga Landlord. Bomu Mr. Brutus, or better still, Mwamo, eh?
She go, they call you landlord because that is your title now. Are you not the landlord? As a landlord, she calling you your title. Is it now Bubu? Are you Buhari son?
And and who might you be?
Who might me be? Who might me be?
Yes.
Since you're asking me who might me be, I might be Unamdi. My name is Unamdi. Yeah? I am her future
Friend. He's my very good friend. My very good friend.
What is he still doing here? Or do you still want to escort her inside the
It does not concern you whether I put her into her bedroom or bathroom. Yeah? As my future this thing, I can follow her anywhere she want to.
Hey!
It's not her house.
Can you imagine? So, Yamisi, so this is now what you are doing in my compound, bringing different men, to my compound, Yamisi. So this is what you are doing.
What is the worry you? The blockers they scratch you.
How is it your business?
That's my business. How is this your business? Whether she bring a man or animal into her house, is she not paying rent here? Are you not paying rent here? You're paying rent here. Why are you not going to want to tell
It is my right.
It is your right.
Welcome. It is okay because it is my compound.
No,
It is my compound. You know, it is my compound.
No wonder grass put the whole place now. Every time, what is your don't they get fertilizer?
It is my weapon of mass destruction.
All this grass.
You have it?
House one day. Unkept house.
go.
Famusu, go to your house.
Of you. This kind of thing for that, they want one boy for sure. They want one boy for sure.
Do you have it?
Weapon, that's stand there. Like, nah, mind yourself.
Get out too.
That's the guy they unkept, like that the compound they unkept.
Get out.
Landlord, the way to get it, would they shape well? Just imagine.
Get out too. Never begging.
Bye bye.
Vamos.
Finally, can't get the answer landlord. Rubbish and ingredients.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
I'm not marrying you. Is it by force? Why would you be harassing every man that comes to come and visit you? What's the problem? I don't like it. I will insult you. I will embarrass you. What's the complaint of this nonsense now? Don't try it again, no. Don't.
Hey! Oh, okay, let me see. So, because you now follow a man that has a car, that is why you are talking to me like that, Abi, let me see. So, what are you? We shall see. You know, go. We shall see. We shall see.
Where are you? Please, I'm in a hurry. All right, please hurry up. Yes, come in.
Great, Jacob. How you doing?
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
You didn't have to.
It's nothing. I just thought you'd like it.
And you wanted to bribe me as well, didn't you?
And I guess it worked.
I see. What is going on?
I got a job.
You what?
It's a firm, and it came with benefits like the car.
Oh my goodness, the car? Come here. Oh, congrats.
Thank you.
Wow. That's good news, you know.
Yeah, actually, it makes me feel so good about myself.
I can imagine. That's what being an independent woman makes you. I'm so happy you're experiencing it yourself. Wow,
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
So proud of you.
Honestly, I had no idea what I wanted for myself all this while. If not, I wouldn't have been chasing some fantasy of some sort.
It doesn't matter. What matters now is that you know who you are, you know what you want. I'm happy you're experiencing this yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So,
Mm-hmm.
does that mean I would still be attending your wedding?
Of course. At least now you can afford the Ashobi.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm so sorry that I haven't been the friend that you wanted all this while. But I promise you, I would be your best friend.
That's okay.
Thank you.
Oh, my ride is here.
Your ride is here?
Yeah.
Oh, where are you going? Maybe I should drop you off.
Are you sure about that? Okay. I want to go and see Auntie Jumoke at the family house. You still want to come?
No, I'll pass.
I thought so too. All right, let me walk you out.
Right, let's live together. And you look great, by the way.
Thank you, baby. You too. See how you're shining. I love that for you. Oh my goodness.
Hello,
Thank you.
800.
All right.
Now when you finish, you go pay me.
All right. No Azam.
Yeah, Missy. Hello, how are you?
I'm okay, sir.
Nico, where is Yemisi?
Sir, wait, you're Mr. Nnamdi.
You know me?
It's not like I know you, I'm just guessing. And besides, Emisi has been talking about you for weeks now. Only you, sir.
Okay. She's talking about me. Hope she's saying good things.
Yes, now.
Hmm?
You're safe.
Because me, I'm trying my best, you know. Yeah, I'm trying.
Only you should they talk about.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Where Yemisi come there now?
Sir, she didn't tell you.
You're telling me what now?
Emisi say she won't go find work. Or she carry her certificate, say she won't go find work. Make she take. Please, may we see wetin go they give us better money. What's this one we would they make for you?
You go find the work.
Yes, sir.
And she don't tell me anything. Which kind of work should they go find?
You know you're missing now independent too much. You know go tell you.
And she get certificates. All these useless people when they carry out the play.
Yes,
Just imagine. She will tell me now.
okay. Huh? Now she they call.
Eh? I'm gonna give phone. Come on, get out of here.
I did. Wait, sir. Come.
Give me phone, make I talk to her.
What big work? Mr. Nnamdi, you might give her phone.
Give me. Now she go like to hear my voice. Yeah, Missy. How now? Good afternoon. Hope you are fine.
I'm fine,
I come to your restaurant and I come see you. They say you go find the work. You dey job hunt.
Nnamdi, I beg, you can never be serious in this life.
I forgive you better passage job for my company now. Me we want make you my wife. If you don't be my wife now, everything what I get now your own. Which kind of work better pass that one?
Nnamdi, see, I'm very tired. I'm on the road. I'm working with Hills. Let me talk to you later, please.
I go call her later.
Okay, sir.
No problem. So make her dey go my shop now. I go follow her talk later.
So that promise sweet me will do.
You hear am? You sef put mouth inside.
Afraid the rich man, rich man.
You don't see am. I'm going to take care.
Care,
Robert Okoya?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Well done.
Sir, anything at all now.
No problem. The next time, next time. No problem.
It's fasting you. Okay, how far? I never talk finish. My money, I won't go market.
Madam, I dey talk. Wait.
Good evening.
Love it. Please come, man. I beg, I want to ask you something.
Okay, ask.
Please, hope you don't mind.
Gonna ask.
There is this man that has been coming to see your friend Yemisi. So I said I should ask, do you by any means know him, or do you by any means know if there's anything going in between the both of you?
No, I don't have this energy. But if I tell you now that there's something going on between them, it's half truth. And if I still tell you there's nothing going on, it's still half truth. So I think the best thing is for you to meet her and ask her yourself. I don't know what to say.
Did you say ask her? There's somebody that has been avoiding me. She doesn't even talk to me again.
Avoiding you?
Yes.
Why?
Oh, I love it. Here you see you are talking like you don't know. You know. See, Jerry knows I like her. I'm truly, I like her. But she's just forming hard to get. She's just forming hard to get.
Okay, so landlord, what you're trying to say now is you want me to tell Yemisi that you like her so that she will agree for
One more. That is the point we are there. That is it.
Hey, Jimmy.
Yes.
No problem. I'll see what I can do. So, let me. I'll see what I can do.
Really? Really?
Mm.
Oh. But Mama, you know, if you can help me talk to her, I will really appreciate it.
Wait, Oga landlord. What is...
A weapon of mass destruction.
No, I don't.
Thank you very much. Hey, love it, one. Everyone one.
Job seeker, Alpha. Maybe you're no job seeker. I've been only report my frustration here and you discipline.
What happened?
You drop outside. If you see the disrespect there. No. I have to focus on my business. And if an opportunity comes, it comes. Until then, I'm focusing on my business.
But I told you now, in this country, you can't find job anywhere. Especially for somebody like you without experience. And I'm happy at least you've made up your mind to focus on this, our business. Anyway, take.
From today's sales?
Won't try me.
Come on, I hope you've not pursued my customers with plenty money and small food.
Auntie, just say thank you. You're not try.
You try.
You try, truth.
Hey, this girl don't go high price.
Anyways,
Thank you.
another thing, my friend. Landlord said I should greet you. You just said I should greet you.
Greet who?
You now.
I beg. Resembling meat. I see the crease.
I don't understand. You self calm down. The guy just try issue in truth. You know one live rent free.
Shut up, Joe. That thing you said it makes sense. See, let him get out of my sight. Make it clear. Make person wants to road pass. Kind of nonsense is that I resemble caliber.
And then who wants pass and who wants the road? That's Nnamdi.
You know?
Babe, I don't understand though. But what's going on between you and this man? This back and forth. What's the plan?
He said he wants to marry me.
He said he wants to marry. What did you say?
I told him I'll think about it, and I'm still thinking about it.
You are still thinking about it?
Yes.
Was somebody you met a few weeks ago?
Well, technically it was 2 months ago.
And you want to marry him?
Another thing, dear. He's a good man.
My darling, it is marriage you're talking about here. Lifetime commitment. He's a good man.
Yeah.
No problem. Sure, he's a good man. Go ahead, if that's what you want. Who am I to stop you, my dear friend? No first.
I mean, you cook.
Maybe only cook. This place is the way they cook. No food. You way they come from outside, you know, say go buy food. Who give you shoe? Yeah, me see. Who give you shoe? They go find job. It's a small business where they do, you know, like them. You won't leave me for this, our buka business, go find job. Let me see this one.
Let me see. Hopper. I do.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, you are done?
Other waiting. No, not though.
What should you do?
Take, yes.
I don't want to. That's it. Don't what you can down start.
No, spoon be keep on. Person they romantic, one useful win your heart.
It's mainly my heart as part the fastest way to woman's heart is through her stomach, Abi. Please eat it. I'm not that cheap. I'm supposed to tell him to even stop sending me all this nonsense because I don't understand. What's the meaning of this one? Now from clap dance they start. Yes, please.
You not tell him, oh. At least it's better than that Nnamdi that is using sweet mouth to woo you without doing anything. When you see you tell now. Chopana, you dey form big girl. I know to say na me hunger dey catch now. Na me be the hungry girl now.
You sure?
You sure? You sure? Take now. You sure say you don't want them?
Please get a now.
Please, you really mean now? Hear me see.
Don't disturb me, please.
Oh, my sister. So God got her my dress. See them and I want that it now. I don't see. Leave me.
Let's say I wash and put for bathroom.
You want to do?
Go.
Yummy. Mama Loma. How are you doing?
Good morning.
Let me see. I have told you countless times. This is not a Lord.
What are you doing here by this time? What do you want? It's 5:30 into your law.
I said I should come and check if you got what I brought for you yesterday. And
Yes, I did.
Did you like it?
Please don't ever buy me anything again that I didn't ask you for. I beg you in the name of God.
So are you not trying to tell me that if I cannot buy something for you?
Yes, you cannot buy something for me again because I'm not hungry and I didn't beg you for anything.
Hey, let me see. So it is because of that man, and that boy, that Nnamdi boy, Abi?
And don't you have any shame? You are up by 5:30 in the morning chasing another woman. I don't understand. I don't want to be with you. Is it by force? Like, don't you even know your class? What's the meaning of this nonsense now? Don't buy me anything and leave me alone. Leave this place. I paid rent now. What is it?
Yamisi Ozugo, it is okay. I will leave you alone. Hey!
Olomon Koto Fabeshi. 5:30 in the morning. Are you joking?
My love.
Your love, Ke.
Hey. My love. How now?
Which one is this your love you're shouting? Your love?
If my love now, I don't know. Don't you know that you're my love? What are they talking now? You don't believe me. If my love now.
Nandi, what are you doing here? It's too early.
Which kind of question be that one? What am I doing here? I will ask your future husband, what thing he can do for your future wife replace.
Just now, from your love to future wife, that very soon you call me baby mama.
That one today now, That one today. Baby mama go there inside. Future wife go there inside. In fact, this thing way they do, stop and make I follow you talk something.
Nandi, I'm busy. This soup needs to be ready, please.
Stop this. Why would be the soup now? We go. Stop and first. Make I follow you talk serious matter. Let me see. Look me well. No, look me well. From toe. Look me, they come up. You know they look me now. I know so you know if you see the way they inside here, but he is solid though. He stand well. Put that one for one corner of your head as you think. Look at me now. Every other thing they okay. I can't get fear of God inside again. Waiting day for a man where you go on marry when they inside me. I be they do all those the Bible, you know they do Igbo. No. So what thing do my body now? Where we say no day for the future husband where you they pray to God every day. That be spec now. Can't think. If my wife and I will take care of you. See as you they sell food for estate corner. I go put you 5-star restaurants. Of course. I go put you 5-star restaurants. And I go change everything will concern you. You go come move enter my house. Woman of my kingdom. Na so na. Wanyoma. You don't go marry me.
Can I at least think about it?
You go think about it. Okay, who am I to say no now? Think about it well. Because I did very serious. Hey! Wanyoma. Most beautiful angel. All this name missing. That one I go call regular thing. We don't even they think. And you go like Kamo. This my tongue. You see what I carry this thing do. Hey!
Nandi.
If I dey lick ice cream sometimes, the thing dey quick finish.
Okay. After the wedding gift, another gift again. This one a farewell, Abby.
Yes.
Oh, I love it. And you will love it. Thank you. You're welcome. Man, I'm rushing to pack. I've done this thing since yesterday night. Now I'm just be here from now.
You wouldn't blame him, especially if he loves you as much as you say.
What's that supposed to mean?
What? Nothing.
Love it.
Hmm? Okay, let me see. I really do not understand how you went from I want to focus on my business to shutting it down in just a month because of a man.
Well, that man said he's going to get me a restaurant. I told you, no?
What makes you think he's going to do that?
Hey, well, that's him. I should get going. That's him.
Farewell, Mrs. Married Woman.
It's a farewell from married woman. He didn't talk by Shakespeare. Have you helped me, Joe?
Take your gifts.
Hey, well, sorry.
Farewell, oh.
So you would not help me. You're very useless.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Come here. Hey, my wife.
Where's your car?
Oh, my car. I put her for house. You know, say, I don't know if I go spend that kind of money for our wedding. The kind of money I spend in that wedding, I no plan, I no budget. So I don't say that thing, they what go take huge that kind thing on me. It will take huge financial toll on me. I have to pack the cars before I finish. So let me use this one. This one now, 2,000 naira. Now my guy, you know, he carry me come here. Imagine say I use that car come now. 150,000 naira for now. Before I come here, reach here now, 40,000 not finished. A whole 40K. Open your boots to this man. Go open boots. I put them inside. No come charge me for carrying road. If you take charge me that one, make I put on myself. You go pay more. I don't like that thing in my ear. If I go pay, come out and make I put on back myself. Are you okay? It's okay. Wait, move this chair, come forward. Okay. Hey, wind down. The two look is progress, eh? Enter. This is our house now. Your new house.
This is so beautiful.
Welcome. It is not my house. Now that you are now my bride, it is our house.
I'm sorry, that was a slip of tongue.
You slip of tongue. But you like her now?
It's
Gorgeous.
my goodness.
It is now.
Oh God, I'm so tired.
And it fits you. It will fit you stupidly.
God, I'm so tired.
This one is tired. No, but we have things to do now.
No.
We need to disvirgin the house.
No, let me go and shower.
You don't need to shower. You will remove the ingredient. Now, the thing they switch with the thing like that now, you don't know. When you wash them out, you can't pass through hard work to bring out the aroma. No worry, Make I just drop this one. All you need to do, write down and be taken care of. I will do the work. Just they shout for me. Are you soprano or tenor? Come here, my dear. Nah, that is you go enjoy this house.
Listen, I want to hear you say, as you downstairs, make your voice the revamp on it. Yeah? Just come. I just heard you.
Hey. 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 Now, what's going on here now?
Oh, you don't want this one? I can make something else for
Which
you.
I don't want this one. Are you expecting this stuff?
No.
Your family member is not coming to the house.
No.
Why you come pack food like this for plate now? For who and who? Now this kind of food which Jesus Christ they use feed 5,000 people.
Andy, this is what I can eat, okay?
But it's not what you can eat. No, it's not good enough. Eh? Like this kind of thing, they kill small girls. You go see them for Instagram. You go come post them. RIP. Overeating. Overeating. To God. I don't see news before. Wait person die. Body killer. Overeating. No.
What are you doing?
Just to watch the film now. You know they're good. You know how many calories this one be? Only you go just to consume this whole thing. You can one also now. Eh? Okay, this one is okay now. Because for medical thing, you go see them 2 slices of bread, put small butter, put 2 small egg. You don't finish. Huh? You just try and tell ourselves. And also learn to economize. Yeah. This one like for me, I need to drink tea. Banana is too much.
No, please, 1 sachet.
1 sachet. A whole 1 sachet. Banana is too much now. When the empty sachet, you don't do it, no problem. We go put them for here. Later, we find Kokomi empty the whole thing. Just nego do now, eh? Just nego do waiting one person one drink. Eh? This one is straight diabetes now. Eh? After you go the old, you go the wonder why am I having diabetes? Now things like this. Eh? Even my own self is too much. Eh? You know they're good now. I'll tell this 1 cube of sugar. I take 2 cubes. Cold water now, this thing will change color. Eh, do okay. Later we'll pour this on the side instead of konkumi. Eh? Hey. Baby. How many eggs you fry? This thing be like a 4 chicken with that. Okay. Let us be managing ourselves well. Eh? How chicken go die finish it. Keeping children, make we use and chop it. Come on, finish everything at once. We chop a small.
Every smile they hide one pain. Every night
Good
they
evening.
bring
Love it. Where are you going dressed so beautiful like this? Is there any occasion happening out there?
No, sir, I'm going to Yemisi's house.
Yemisi's house? Hey, did she move out of this compound?
Well, Yemisi got married last week. Hello, why are you shouting?
Love it, wait. This is my compound, eh? And you can't tell me when to shout and when not to shout. Who did you say got married?
Landlord, Yemisi. Yemisi got married.
Hey! Watami Gunishi. Umwanya. Viedemo. Huh?
Which one is hey? Oh,
Wait.
Why are you shouting now?
So, even you, Lovette, you follow deceive me. Huh? So, all the whole ice cream, treasure in Nawa, got everything I buy and give to Yemisi. You still look cool and allowed Yemisi to go and marry another man. I know it's that name the boy. You allowed her to go and marry. Huh?
I don't understand. No? It's you that is doing charity work with ice cream and parfait. What did you say I should do? I took it now.
Don't worry. I don't blame you at all.
Landlord, good night, sir.
I don't blame you. It's me. It is me. I blame. Me that went to go and start falling for her to like her. Buy ice cream or go even in Nentani Moloko. It's me I blame. No problem.
You don't even chief.
Oh, that's literally. So sweet too. I hope say where this one they come from more because you know me now, no fit drink only 1 glass.
No be.
Are you sabi? Hey, tell me, what did make you call me your officer?
I don't understand. Which one will be sudden? So I can't call my friend again.
I don't understand. No be you, Mary. You supposed to do your honeymoon by now.
Honeymoon. Would you believe if I told you that Nandi went to work the very next day after we got married? Left me alone in this big house. That's why I said, I call my friend, oh, my dear friend.
Chai, when them... As your second husband or waiting.
Can't I call you to come and help me before Bodom buy me in this house? Cause me company now.
That's Bodom Gongon is what I want. That Bodom is supposed to buy you because now you jump like fraud pion, enter my house, leave, close your shop, enter my that make that Bodom finish you.
Okay, so I'm not going to hear the last of this, Abby. And it can, yeah. And I really don't blame you. It was me that called you. It was me that called you to come keep me company in my house. I said, there's that all day.
He formed big man wife for me. No blame you.
Oh, Eta.
I will say this one.
Dim. I need to speak Igbo.
You don't speak Igbo.
Hi, baby.
Hi to you too. What's going on here? Party they happen, I made a celebration. What's it happening?
No. It's just the love that came to see me.
Oh, yeah.
Just Robert that come to see you. Robert, your friend from that time.
Yeah, me.
Now you open full wine. A whole bottle of wine.
Babe, what was I supposed to serve her? No.
What are you there? Mina, juice. If she feel like drinking something red, Zobo. They say Zobo for gates.
Baby, stop. I don't like
You open a whole bottle of black wine.
Never lick it.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see. And then good luck. Bram.
Just wait now.
No be only wait. Get see. No call my name. Fuck.
You don't see her.
Are you kidding me right
She cannot go and do common wine. He's only drunk. Tackling out of the house. No manners. They put two armpits for you.
Namdi. So because of ordinary wine, you embarrassed my friend.
Ordinary wine. I pour my wine, ordinary wine. Because of the price is not on the bottle. You're not calling the drink ordinary wine. Do you know how much I bought this drink?
I don't care how much the drink is. What is it now? What's the meaning of all this nonsense? Why are you embarrassing me like that? If I did that to your friend, would you like it?
You are shouting at me. Your friend don't drunk, start to come out. You self, you don't put on drunk. On top of 1 glass of wine. You see, when they say drink at your level. Drink at your level. Drink soap. When I'm not carrying wine or pop. They drink my wine. Wine that I keep for my clients.
You should have at least said it was for your investor. Don't talk down on her like that.
No problem now. I should carry a big board and put them there. Drink for my investor. You know, see other drinks for kitchen. My people for it will just say, I'm now having drunkard in my ass. She could have taken for here. They get like drunkard. They go gates. She has drink wine now. In her house, has she drank? See wine to drink? Just they go to. She will take my drink, the last one come. So wait, I don't pour inside the bottle back, complete the thing. It don't short now. Yep. Just much. This one is Spanish wine. Now the Spanish wine you give her. You know, see Kenyan wine, buy, give her. Or made in Nigeria. Those cheap ones. Spanish wine, you carry give the girl.
Every night they bring me rain. We they fight to keep this.
They go, I go talk with the his, they go.
But love they suffer when money knows. Tears and dreams, we they hold on tight. Hoping say tomorrow go bring us light.
Let me see. Why did you call before coming? I was about going out. Where are you going? Out.
Sorry now. I came to apologize for what happened yesterday. I'm sorry.
You mean your husband talking down on me like I'm less privileged?
No, he didn't mean it that way. The words came out wrong. I'm sorry.
Okay, Missy, you're taking his side.
No, well, how about now? No. He actually said he saved that bottle of wine for his investors, but he didn't say it well.
Okay, that's what he told you.
No, it's actually the truth. That's the truth. I'm telling you. I know those investors safe your question. I know the people he bought the wine for.
Well, you should have apologized.
Sorry. Where are you going?
Well, I'm going to buy me ice cream and pizza and a very solid wine on the side, so you could tell your husband to keep his wine.
Noted. Can I go with him? Chebi say I'm not angry again now.
Let's go.
Give me a thumbs up.
William, welcome. They won't wait for you, said me to come back.
I want to see Robert. What's happening?
Hey, go see Robert.
What's going on?
I see that some things are finished in the kitchen. So I said, let me go and lay stock. You know, I go to the market.
Isn't that supposed to be my job as the woman of the house?
Which one is your job again? They write out for just a woman's job, man's job. I put that thing. Once in a while, if it finish, I go and buy. Besides, in that market, you know that you know how to pick things. But me, I know how to price very well. When they see my face and I tell them the price, they will come down.
Wait, what exactly are you writing?
This one is, I'm trying to, take stock of what we have. So that we can plan well. Meetings don't they waste anyhow. Like now, do you know that we have only 4 tuber of yam left in the kitchen? If we plan well, that 4 tuber supposed to tell us 2 weeks. 2 weeks of eating. Potato wedge and now will finish very soon, so I bought some more, at least for the next 1 week plus. All these ones that we have.
Tell me you're joking right now.
How joke take the matter? Economy is going down. Do you know that dollar have go up?
Are you counting food?
Everything is going up now. You must economize. You have to step down. You understand?
Oh, jeez.
Why did he hiss now? Did him? You will learn to economize. At least you go for politics, bit of. Learn to cut down on things. Let me see. This tomato really cut like this. Now for stew, I've been for I don't understand. And the rice, it's a little too much. Just me go do. But look at how many tomato you're cutting. Do you know how much this tomato is going for now? And this pepper. Yeah. If we're doing parties now,
Can you please leave the kitchen?
What I'm trying to say, baby, is cut down on the.
Nandi.
It's too much. It's too much. Sorry. At least they cut down. It's too much.
But the hunger grew. Dreams we shared, now they fade from view. Counting pennies, counting pain. In this house,
God, this food is bastardic. Just the food sweet now. A put pepper for the right quantity. One put onions, the right quantity. I don't know the kind of you for this one. Well, to God, eh? Marvelous. Hey! What damn it, man? In the shady. In the pool.
Okay.
To call Adam inside now. You be better wife. He gets good character. He's a bit cool. Because I mean do bed, walk away. Hey! Hey! Nah, I'm not better wife. I don't even think like that when I demand you. This one, I hit jackpot. I hit jackpot. Which I be hear me. I mean, you don't believe me.
Why would I believe you?
You supposed to believe me now.
The restaurant you promised to open for me, have you opened it?
The restaurant. Okay. But the whole that thing back now is just common savings. Because I'm planning to open that restaurant now, 5-star style, in maybe Reki or Ikoyi, or even VI for you.
I want normal restaurants. I don't need
You
five.
come to a normal restaurant, a whole big man's wife. You come and be doing buka. Now. I need to open for you 5-star restaurant so that when I'm doing the opening, everything will close.
I just need a normal restaurant. I don't need 5-star.
When you do, which one be a normal restaurant? What you need is a 5-star restaurant. Let the whole world will feel your food. Not for me. It's not for me to be enjoying this thing alone. Let other people too enjoy this same thing with me. They cook pieces. Hey, to God do. Sometimes in this life, when God pursue person for your right, no complain. God do it intentionally because He have a better plan for you. Every morning I go they play for God, now. What the God cannot do does not exist. See am now. Love him with this. He does not exist. Hey. Oh. See better wife now. No peep, just close your eye. Don't try to carry it. Okay. Hey, sorry. I beg you, I don't get money hospital.
Can I open it now?
Open your eye. Ta-da!
You got me a gift.
I buy you a gift. Look at me.
Namdi, what's the meaning of this?
Nyash na. Nyash and hips.
I know what it is. What am I supposed to do with
This one na PBL. No be BBL. Prosthetic butt lifter.
What am I supposed to do with this, Namdi?
Make you they get the same kind nyash with all those girls for road. Don't say they go pass, you could they look them, they wonder say your nyash they pass your own. You don't say your nyash is still they do press up. This one and that, guess how much? 55,000. Very cheap. Money are they counting $5 million to give it to go do BBL.
When did I ever complain about not liking my bum?
Ever you they watch film now, you they pause the one when nyash they inside.
It's just me. Are you serious?
You don't go like this nyash? Yeah, I don't mind though. That's why I forget nyash now. This, hey, this nyash for no bad though, Okay. You know big rich. For add like 2 more food. Okay, let me see. I'm on the road now.
That your husband will not kill me. I'm telling you, that Sintama is after my life because I don't even understand. Okay, so what did you do with the bomber? I returned it. Now what will I do with it?
But come on, the least he could do was to just acknowledge him for his gesture.
What gesture? When I tell I'm tired of my small nerves. Even if I told him I was tired, I couldn't carry him to where they used to do BBL. What by putting a beg ruthlessly?
Well, husband and wife, I don't know you put mouths. But, my darling, you know say your husband love you. And he's on a budget. He's able to is to manage what he can afford.
Carla, my phone. Thunder fire will be that way. No, they're not even eating this food. I don't understand. On top of my own food. Bring it away. What's your food? Call police all day. When you have money, that's why you talk nonsense.
But it's on a budget now.
Wallahi, be a fire. Love on a budget.
Sorry.
Why you did cry? You be fool. Do you know how embarrassing this thing is? Like, I was so embarrassed. This woman literally swept me out of her shop like a streak of bad luck.
But I don't really understand. You see that there's no money in the account or what?
My husband and I used to own a joint account. For some reason, he thought I was spending too much. Next thing, he transferred all the money into his own personal account that I don't have access to.
Without telling you?
Without telling me, oh, my sister, without telling me. Like, this thing is so annoying and so frustrating. I don't even know how I got myself into this mess.
See, that's your husband. It too do.
Like, I'm tired, though. I'm not gonna lie, give you, I don't tire. Like, this whole thing is very frustrating and I can feel it and I'm very, very...
No, you can't be tired, though. You can't be tired. You brought this upon yourself, so you should learn to deal with it.
So all the ones I've been dealing with is what? Or you've not been listening to what I've been telling you?
My darling friend, I have, but I remember I categorically told you that you need to have your own business. I mean, you need to have your own source of income. I mean, earn your own money. I mean, you shut down your shop because of a man that's made mere promises to you. He promised to open a restaurant for you. Rest, you know, see. Runt, you know, see. Look at it. So how far? How is it going? Next time you learn to listen to me. Did I say anything wrong? Yeah, sorry. Sorry, no face.
Don't touch me.
Sorry now. Just go and get me something to drink. I'll stop staring at me.
Every smile they hide one pain. Every night they bring you rain.
Nandi.
We they fight to keep this
Nandi.
Yeah, sleeping now. I also talk this talk or tomorrow. Sleep this sweet me now, man.
Please, we need to talk now. Let's talk about it now, please.
Oh, can't it wait till tomorrow morning?
It can't, baby. It can't. Let's talk about it now.
I'm gonna talk about this.
There's a lot I really need to get off my chest. Are you listening to me?
Talk.
Can you
I'm
sit
listening.
up?
Talk now. I did hear you now. Whether I stand for ceiling or I stand for ground, I did hear.
Namdi, why does it feel like you're torturing me for marrying you? Namdi!
Yeah. Yeah. What? You say it again?
I said, why does it feel like you're tormenting me for marrying you?
This thing about this joint account, I don't tell you before now. I have a company issues. You know? The financial state in the company right now.
Please. We both know that's not true, please. It's because of your stinginess. Why are you even so stingy, by the way? Why? How can one person be so tight-fisted? You literally own the bakery, the bread, everything inside, but you just give me crumbs. I closed my business for you, for goodness sake. You promised me a restaurant, promised me everything. And since I've married you, it's almost looking like you want to make me regret it.
But the crumbs are sweet pass. If you gather the crumbs from bakery, that one na full. Now you did look and I say na crumbs. So now you did regret.
Frankly, yes, I am.
I'm gonna go and open your this thing. Take a sleep because anything else, discuss it tomorrow.
Are you serious? Namdi, we're not done talking.
Calm down now. Make I sleep now. You the day house morning to night. I dey go work, come back. It's not the same energy.
life no easy, but he still they try. Test for night, but morning go dry. Even if love they shake sometimes, now hope we hold Now fate we find. Hold my heart, no, let me fall. Give me peace inside it all.
Will you just calm down? You're wearing yourself out. You can't continue like
What
this.
do you mean calm down? Have you not been hearing everything I've been telling you? Did you not listen to anything I've been saying? I'm pregnant, love it. I'm pregnant for the stingiest man ever. This man could possibly tell me he doesn't have money for diapers. Like, how am I supposed to handle that?
But you know that you need to relax. See? He's your husband. You married him, so you have to learn to deal with it.
I know. I'm just wondering if I've made a mistake or not. I know.
Okay, so when are you going to tell him?
I don't know.
What do you... I feel you should just tell him tonight.
It's not that easy.
Why not?
Love it. Since this man and I got married, we have never for once spoken about children. He hasn't even brought it up. How do I even know he wants one? I don't know how he's going to react if I tell him.
When you were getting married to me, you didn't know if you wanted kids or not. Just tell him and that's it. You should just tell him all this stuff from there. Yes, just tell him.
We get by you, go. My darling wife, I'm back now. What are you watching?
I wasn't paying attention.
Stop being attention. You're waiting for me. You're waiting for me.
Yeah.
Anything happen? Okay. Listen. You were talking now. You're in the mood now. Your red period. Come here, John. You ovulate. You ovulate.
You're cold. I said I'm waiting for another.
They say about your eye now. Why is your eye looking like that? Come here, John. Come. I can take care of this. I bring my stand back to
Bring better days.
Baby, you don't see my beats.
It's in the drawer.
Let me see. Yeah, well, pregnancy still up now. Eh? Are you pregnant? Who's up here? Shake your head like a lizard. Are you pregnant?
Yes.
You're pregnant? Why you not gonna tell me now?
I was going to tell you. I forgot. I wanted to.
Let me see you're pregnant and you're keeping this kind of good news to yourself. You will tell me now. You're pregnant.
Wait, you're not angry.
Angry at what happened. Eh? This is investment now. You don't know?
Investments, I'm confused. What you
Of course. I'm not going to be working now. I'll be thinking of retirement plan again. As I'm hustling like this, I go hustle, spoil this speaking. So that when I'm old, he go come they pay me allowance, monthly allowance. You don't understand? Eh? This is better investment now.
Stop saying that and you're upsetting me. Over my dead body, will my child be a backup plan of someone's investment? What are you talking about?
Now investment though. Unamdi and Sons Nigeria Limited. I ain't be that. Hey, come here. Eh? Hey! Unamdi and Sons Nigeria Limited. You know what I'm Unamdi and Sons International. You can walk now.
It's a girl.
He's a boy. He's a boy. Emeka is his name. Full-time boy. Unamdi and Sons International. Hey! You should say you preach for the right people.
Sometimes friend fit waka go. Sometimes love no they show. But when the rain
They're back.
they fall for sky.
Welcome. Welcome, my darling.
I'm back. Now you come this food.
Mike. Come you. It was a lover, very sweet girl.
That is Eba with okra soup. Okay. Is there food in the kitchen?
Oh, you can't know, my love. You know, in my condition, I'm heavily pregnant. But I think, did you cook for living this morning? Check. Maybe check.
No problem.
Hey, I'll let you in the pile. Talk long.
It's like there's pepper in that, sir.
You want baby led. Ah. What that one? I'm coming. Push out on you.
This is magic. That is it. Let me see. Why is that fridge empty?
So, it was made me walk all the way to this place. You couldn't ask me or come.
What are you make you to walk all the way for? Fridge, where are you? I don't see fridge place talking. Why is the fridge empty?
Why are you shouting? Eh? What? Oh my God! I don't like this thing you are doing.
You don't need to shout. You don't need to shout.
Okay, they're making it look as if I was the only one that ate was in the fridge. Am I not carrying your baby? Am I not carrying your investment? Won't I feed him?
I don't understand. Please, you take empty. My number you take empty. I just say post take empty. Eh? Why is the house empty?
So that's how you stopped here, but I was eating, I was going slowly. Now you let him book my throat. I don't like it. Don't try it again. What kind of nonsense is that?
That's the go do. Eh? What they go do? Everything is empty. Why, man? They go do empty pot. I say it now. Everything is empty.
Oh, baby, I beg.
Baby, wake up. I'm hungry.
Don't be hungry, like, don't chop dinner.
No, that was for me. The baby is hungry, and you know how it gets. He won't let me sleep. Wake up, please. Help us make Indomie with eggs, you know?
If you chop Indomie with egg again, eh?
Okay, fine. Just make one.
You go do this, speaking, go turn to chief priest. Every time, they chop food. Huh? I put this Indomie and egg in the morning, you chop on my bed.
Hey, please now, hurry up. He wants Indomie. You know you.
If I get you Indomie and egg now, can I sleep?
Yes, you can sleep.
No problem.
Please put pepper. You know it irritates my chest. Don't put enough pepper.
Oh, okay. But before you carry belly again, you've only 20 years. Eh? This one belly way I give you now, no one can rest. One child is enough.
Shouldn't be too soggy. Thank you. I said thank you. You didn't even say you're welcome.
Which one be you're welcome? Who that one here? Chop your Indomie because
Please, I don't want to get into something that's why I cannot even acknowledge the simple thank you.
Okay, sorry. You're welcome. See you're in the without it.
I checked my door. It's done once again. I want suya.
Sugene,
Yeah.
who shall me say you want suya now? You know in time they talk.
It's not me, or it's your baby. He doesn't want the noodles again. So please, suya.
Why this baby they chop like this now? Eh? Yeah, we see suya this night now. To the one at the junction here, they would have closed by now.
Ikeja. That Ikeja place, they have plenty there. They sell till very late. Hurry now. I don't think is smelling.
No problem. Make I put them back for fridge.
Thank you.
This one can do breakfast for you tomorrow.
No, there is food to put inside fridge.
Suya, boy. That's the only thing that you need now.
No
problem.
Hurry up, if it takes too long, I'm not eating the game. Try and drive fast before you get to the terminal.
I said I don't hear you.
Small talk, it on to quarrel. Love way sweet, now it is shake well. Peace don't scatter.
Hey, baby.
What took you so long? Where have you been?
You say make I go buy you suya now. Eh? As I go buy the suya, people will just food there for you. The guy now come they carry the raw meat to roaster. It takes time now.
Okay, we would have fried it, Abi. I've been craving fruit since, and I've been calling your phone to buy fruit. You did not pick up.
Hey, but now as you tell me say the suya the humbly, I rush to go buy when the suya come now. Now even this, my phone the house now. Where you when they sell?
That's too bad, please. You have to go back and get it. So
Come back and bring what food again. I'm just coming from a far place to buy this thing.
yeah, but I was calling you and you didn't pick up.
Yeah, I can help you out till tomorrow.
I can't pre eating till tomorrow. I'm craving it. The baby wants fruit.
Hey, baby, you see, this baby is too small to be craving. What is it?
What do you mean what to see? The baby wants food, John. Can you not see to kill me? What do you want to kill me? Tell them it.
Don't shout too much because it's okay. What kind of fruit?
Please, anything. Cucumber, apple, everything. Green apple, red apple, everything. Buy. Go now.
Okay, so sorry, but come sit down first.
Leave that. Can sit down and go and buy the fruit.
Calm down now. You go come to the pikin now. Calm down. Sorry. I dey come now. Eh? Sorry.
Yeah.
Peace don't scatter. Heart heavy. Love they tremble. Wahala steady. Osimo, Ayemi. Now who go calm this storm where they blow? Yoruba softly. Ife ti ko ba ni suru ko lebe. Love when no get patience, it no go last. Inibo when your ma because
Hey, baby.
25 minutes, 5 seconds. That's how long it took you to get ordinary fruits.
Ordinary like that too. Eh? This fruit now, I went to the place they sell fruit in the junction there. The guy have closed. I had to drive far to go and buy this thing. I was driving back in 100 km/h. So you buy them now. See, this cucumber where you say you want. You know, there's you find them for some places. You say you want green apple, a red apple. I drive very far to buy these things. Come, you know this. Eh? I try now. You're welcome. Honey, let's go.
Where are you going?
Inside, you want me to sleep outside?
Actually, yes, you'll be sleeping outside for coming back late. I'm not even buying it. In fact, you bought one. Eh? You are managing money.
Hannah, this thing a joke you dey chop.
Which joke?
Eh? I should sleep outside in my house.
Oh. But you said it was our house. Remember when we got married?
So this small hour, don't they make you want to tell me to sleep outside my house?
See. I don't have time for arguments, eh? Except you want me to sleep outside because I cannot sleep on the same bed with you. I'm very cranky and I'm angry that you came late. I'm carrying your investments. Do you want to sleep outside and let mosquito finish me? Or will you do the sacrifice and sleep outside? Don't drag this door with me. If you enter, I'll sleep outside.
Why they do like this? Eh? The house is big enough for all of us. You ever see it? Hey. Someone not joke a bit that way.
Life no easy, but he still they try. Test for night, but morning go dry. Even if love they shake sometimes, I hope we hope, not faith to find. Hold my heart, no let me fall.
Ah. Sorry, oh, Sleeping Beauty. Yeah, let's go and eat breakfast now. Is that a no? Ah, we'll see. I'm pregnant, though. I don't have the strength to be reading somebody's facial expression. Are you eating or not? Eat me inside if you want, because the food will get cold. Me, I'm going to eat my own. I don't like cold food.
Who go calm this storm way blow? Bread we share, we know they reach. Every word they cut like knife for me. I know I'll fight, I know I'll cry, but the trouble they grow for my eyes. Peace don't scatter, heart they heavy, love they tremble, wahala steady. Osimo, now who go calm this storm?
I don't know.
Hi there. What is this one?
It's a fufu. It's a basic soup.
But the soup is water now.
Oh, that's how we try to show it to. Check. There's nothing there for me to cook, so it's the remaining ingredients that we had to.
Yeah, but you're drinking back.
It's what the baby asked for. It's not really my fault.
Maybe can talk now
From me, think.
at this small age. Why is there too much milk inside? You see now, pack will be brown. Everything, the milk just they show everywhere.
I use 1 can.
1 can.
Because if it's dry, it will hook me in my throat. And the baby will not let me enjoy it.
At least you remain small for the can.
I know. In fact, I'm thinking of putting another one.
Don't open on that one. This one is enough.
Where are you going to? You don't want to eat? It's not so watery. Come now. The water is not plenty in the hand.
You just lift up, man. Come when I don't get it, man.
Where are you going?
I'm doing not. Any problem?
I asked first now, where exactly are you going?
I like go my house to go watch football.
That match you have to make it. Come in massage my face.
Yeah, Missy. So this your leg did not hurt since. It's now I'm going to go and watch match. Your feet is hurting. I've been inside the since. You did not call me to come and massage feet for you.
It's not like it hurts really bad. It's just I'm uncomfortable. I'm pregnant now. I was going to call you regardless. So you learned that you're here.
But you're not calling me now. I have match that I need to go and
Okay,
watch.
fine. If you can't do it, no problem. Send me 50K. I'll go to the spa. They'll massage you for me.
50,000 naira. Bring your leg.
Because I mentioned 50K. See how you jump around and massage your feet. Just send the 50K so you can go and watch your match.
I said I will massage you. No problem. I will watch the play.
Handle with care. I'm pregnant now. You are pressing me with anger.
Sorry.
Please, can you bring that watermelon in the fridge? Baby,
Welcome.
guess who I saw at the hospital today?
Who did you see now? My mind is busy now.
Try and guess now.
I don't get that guy, Bawa. Eh? Who you see?
Okay. Remember Toby now? That my ex I told you about.
Uh-huh.
That's how I came to the hospital with his sister. That is when that sister is pregnant. The husband will be collector. But anyways, that's like it. When she went inside, one thing led to another and we started talking.
You got to talking. You and your ex got talking. One thing led to another. Why are you talking to your ex?
Now, listen first. The talk actually brought out something very good. Look, he told me about this trust fund that we could set up for our baby. Until he's 18 years old, we won't touch it. All we just have to do is just sign a couple of documents. And this child, once he's 18, can use it to do whatever he wants to. But one thing's for certain, he would never ever bother us financially. Yes, so he's a very good lawyer. So he's like, give me his documents. I've even signed my own, but just like I sign it all.
So how can you trust this your ex?
Babe, he's a lawyer now. What does he want to do wrong? We'll post him on social media. Is he crazy? Can't try nonsense.
Let me sign. I'm busy.
Take. See, I signed here. You sign here. What can you do?
I'm trying to do small work. Somebody is blaming my money.
Please, can I get 100K?
Because yeah, I was telling you now, somebody is blaming my money. Eh? Let me handle this issue now. Eh? Because
Let me see.
What can I make? It's one thing.
Let me see.
Why are you shouting?
You deceiving me, Oya. You deceived me. That document that you give me to sign, that you say it is for my for my child. It's document that you used to sign off this house and all my property.
Okay, if I had come to your office and I had said, "Hi, Nandi, could you please give me the documents for your house and all your properties?" Would you have believed?
So you had to now use that on Bombay to lie.
No, you
To lie to his father.
but you said there is your investment now, Abby.
Help. Let me see. To God, you are evil. Let me see, you are a wicked woman.
And you're not?
You are Idula.
Oh, really? So when you married me and sold me dreams that you couldn't fulfill, you made me shut down my business, give up my whole life to come and be your wife. You told me to pay sell your house, say I'm evil.
And they say, even if you want to give out something, or you want to deceive me, come on, small something you could not leave for me. You have to take everything from me. Everything. This thing that you do now is good, and this one here, they carry for they record my house.
That's the agent, oh. You know it.
They carry for they record the house.
I'm doing my job, sorry.
If the new owners of the house come and they see the former owners, they can sue us. So me, I don't have money for court case. Do you have? I don't have.
Brother,
Oh yeah, go. You see what I'm saying? They go out now. Go and pack
Let me
your
see.
things.
Let me see.
Do and pack your things, Jerry.
let me see. Let me see, the way you talk.
Go and pack your things. The owners will enter now. They will carry us. So they will carry us. So you see, they will carry your investment too. You have court case.
Hey.
You have court money.
Hey,
Here you go, I will call for you now.
hey.
No one had to do the almost you.
Hey! Nand, my God will judge you. Eh? Anything, my God will judge you. For this wickedness as you are doing to me now, my God will judge you. Hey!
Love was sweet, but the hunger grew. Dreams we shared, now they fade from view.
Hey, baby. How now? Eh?
My husband.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you okay? I'm warming some very sumptuous food, for breakfast. Sorry, go pick chop. Come on, sit down, now. Sit down.
So you're cleaning the house, what's going on?
No, the place been just the dusty one kind. My dog, are you okay?
Yes.
Right? This is your clothes, you don't wear them. Don't you think that we should buy another one? In fact, there is this boutique I see on Instagram. This boutique. Let me see. Look, this one here. Wait, don't get. They get nice clothes for you. So check anyone at your right. I'll give you my ATM card to go there today, collect as much as possible. When you finish for there, you go the place where they sell wig, Go buy wig, come.
Hey, Jesus.
And then I go send money for, upkeep for your accounts. At least 2 million for a start. Just use that. They take care of yourself. I will still do my own, but that one is your pocket money.
Jesus. Am I dreaming?
Didn't make one.
Hey. What's going on?
As my wife, I will take care of you now. You know, like
I'm shocked.
2 million is too small.
Jesus. Anything he says fine.
It's okay. So just save the page. See the address here. You go there. You carry my car, go.
I'll drive your car.
Ahead.
Your car?
Hey, I'm not going anywhere today.
And you don't play with your car.
But you can drive it.
Jesus Christ, you are sick.
You can drive it. You drive it there. You go and buy as much as possible. No problem. Let me check the food.
Life no be all about naira. Love no they sell inside market stall. We dey chase small ego, but happiness they pass them all. Love no be budget, my brother. Peace no they market, my sister. Money fit finish, life still they shine. A true love go carry your soul. Oh. I see Nancy find her own power. Jetta stand strong like African flower. Independence sweet like sugar cane. Now respect go is the pen.